Hey guys, so would you rather see these pellets from a dangerous TNT chill cell, you know what a mouthful is, or get these places from a dangerous TNT chill cell? Well, first let's talk about the blazes. So blazes are located in the nether. The nether! And after that, they're not good. We have to do a boss fight of the blaze. Yeah, we have to do a lot of boss fight until when we kill the blaze, we get a blaze rod. We can use it to use our weapon. Yeah, we get a blaze rod for that. But what about the parrots? These parrots are very sensitive to humans. They speak like a human. They fly like a human. They walk like a human. They can talk. And parrots are kind of sweet to humans, and sometimes aggressive. So, if all parrots go extinct, that means people will be sad. That's because parrots are the greatest animals in the world. But if blazes don't exist, then people will be happy, yes, because these guys are annoying and they got blaze off that. Yeah, but I am choosing to kill the blazes. So guys, it's time to die. I am going to choose the parrots. I am going to save the parrots from a dangerous TNT chill cell. And meanwhile, I'm going to destroy y'all guys. Let's do this. Let's do this. Explode. Come on, go, explode. Oh, whoa. No. Shh, no. I killed the parrot. They're gone.